The beach is one of God's creations that can captivate anyone who gazes upon it. The soft stretch of white sand combined with the gentle crashing of waves creates a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. The bright blue sky seems to merge of anyone sitting and enjoying this beauty. The gentle breeze adds to the comfort. The beauty of the beach not only refreshes the eyes but also the heart. The atmosphere it offers can create sweet memories for anyone who visits. A beach is a place where nature, tranquility, and happiness blend in perfect harmony. That's why beaches are always a favorite destination for vacations, finding inspiration, or simply feeling true peace.